And grading day is when every teacher in the S-Prep district comes together and grades everybody's essays. We norm first on a certain rubric and how we're going to score them, and then we just knock it all out in one day.
Where all the campuses come together by content team, and we score the students' free responses for their common assessment. It's just a day for us to celebrate their accomplishments, look at trends, positive and negative, across the district. And after we look at those trends, then we can determine what we need to work on, what we're doing really well at in our classes, and how we can move our curriculum forward afterwards.
There's always going to be disagreement, just because every adult is coming here with their own opinion on, and also coming here with the instruction that they've already provided with their students. And that's the point of the beginning of the day, starting with norming, so that we can have those opinions and understand the value of us all being on the same page, but also understanding why the 3 looks like this or why the 2 looks like this.
Really are so proud of our students for what they've done over this trimester. So when we're scoring, we would hope that other teachers are really generous with how they're scoring our kids, and understanding that they have worked really hard and we've worked really hard with them. So I think that the tension comes from hoping that the rubric is fair, and every time we get a rubric, and every time we have a reading day, our rubric is revised and it just gets better and better. So I think there's a hope for a spirit of generosity that we usually find in reading day.
Today we get to really push each other and say, I think this is a 7 because I see these 3 things, and then we see if it is a 7. And if you're wrong, you learn from that experience, and if you're off by a little bit, we understand there's a little bit of leeway.
You even see the differences in teaching styles. Like when I grab an orange folder, I know that teacher taught kids that they should have 2 reasons, and then the 3rd paragraph is the rebuttal paragraph where they consider the other side. But if I grab a blue folder, it's usually a letter to Governor Rick Perry. Or if I grab a maroon folder, those students usually have an emotional appeal paragraph, a logical appeal paragraph, and you can just see the different styles of teaching in each folder. So there's definitely, we're coming from places where we have different teaching styles, and then the goal is, taking the ideas that they gave, how do you score it on this rubric with neutral language?